Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Park the Audi A3 on level ground and set the parking brake before you begin. Let the engine cool for at least 1 hour to avoid pressurized hot coolant. Put on gloves and eye protection to protect skin and eyes from coolant. Gather tools now: a 10 mm wrench, drain pan, funnel, and fresh 50/50 coolant mix totaling about 5 liters. Keep rags handy and make sure you can safely lift the front with a jack if needed. Open the coolant expansion, cap only when the engine is cool to release pressure safely. Place a drain pan under the lower radiator hose and locate the hose clamp with a 10 mm wrench. Loosen the clamp and detach the lower hose to drain most of the coolant into the pan. If the block drain plug is accessible, open it to remove trapped coolant and flush the system with distilled water until clear. Reconnect the hose and tighten the clamp securely after draining and flushing. Refill the cooling system with a 50/50 coolant mix until the expansion tank reaches the max mark. Replace the expansion cap loosely and start the engine, allowing it to reach operating temperature to open the thermostat. Gently rev the engine a few times to encourage trapped air to move toward the bleeder point. Locate and open the bleeder screw and let coolant flow until no air bubbles appear, then tighten the screw. Shut the engine. Top off to the correct level, inspect for leaks, and test drive for confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.